What's up, Glam Girl Squad? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hey boo, what's up? So y'all, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I customize and I install my orange wig. Let's get it. So we're going to talk about tweezing for a little bit because tweezing deserves its own moment. Okay, when you are installing your hair, you need to tweeze the frontal. I cannot stress that enough. Some companies say that their wig is, pre-plucked and all that good stuff, but it's never going to be customized to your hairline. Sally's hairline is not the same as Andel's hairline, so I cannot trust that Sally's hairline is going to serve me, okay? I need to make sure that I tweeze my hairline to Andel's hairline. And Andel got a big forehead, so it needs to be customized to that big forehead. Are y'all following me? Okay, cool. So this hair is brought to you by snoblifehair.com. I love Snob Life because their hair is not only bomb AF, but it does not shed. You don't worry. You're not gonna have to worry about finding the hair in unnecessary places. Like if you are changing your clothes, you're not gonna find no strands of hair because this hair is bomb. It's luxurious hair. It's gonna last you a while. So I would definitely invest in snoblifehair.com if you're not hip already. So right now I'm just tweezing my Snob Life wig. This is a 613 18-inch wig, and I'm tweezing that hairline. If you guys want a detailed video on how I tweeze my hairline, let your girl know in the comment sections now, and I'll make sure to make that video for y'all. But I'm just speeding that through, especially with this orange hair, girl. Like, your hairline needs to be tweezed just so you won't look like a whole clown, because that's not the vibe we're going for. We're going for a slay. We're going for the glam girl way. We're going to bring that energy. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all finish watching this tweezing, and I'm gonna come back to you guys in a second. Do y'all see how much hair came out from tweezing? Yeah, I know. So now let's move into wig prep, and let's talk about that for a little bit. So before you apply your wig, you want to make sure to prep your hair. I have my hair braided down in some cornrows, aka some Meek Mill braids if you're not hip. I'm going to be using Gots to Be Free spray today because I personally am not a huge fan of wig glue. I've used it before in the past, but it just be getting too gooey, too gunky, and sometimes it irritates my skin, and I'm just not about that life anymore. So I'm grabbing my blow dryer. I can't remember the name of the blow dryer that I'm using, but it is a Salon Professional blow dryer that I'm using, and I just use that and I blow dry the Gots to Be on cool. If you guys notice, I did not apply it on my hair. I applied it on my about an inch above my hairline. My bad. So I'm going in and I'm cutting off that wig cap. And the wig cap is used to protect your hair from glue or anything like that. But when you're doing a colored wig, you want to make sure to use a wig cap just so that you can give scalp all the way through. Because as you guys see, my hair is really dark. My natural hair is so dark. Like, if you guys want a video about my natural hair, let's talk about that for a second. Because I am also growing out my natural hair underneath these wigs. And she is growing so long. And I'm protecting her at all costs. I did lose some edges not too long ago. But, I'm using my rice water and I'm using some castor oil to bring her back to life. So I want to protect her and make sure she's straight. But she's so dark. Like, the healthier hair is, I heard that it gets like darker. So right now she's so dark. So I want to make sure that the darkness of my natural hair does not appear underneath my wig. So that's why I really use the wig cap. Because honestly, my forehead is so big that, I could definitely just apply the wig without a wig cap too. So to make it look even more realistic, I am grabbing some of my foundation powder and I'm brushing that on with a dense brush just to make sure that it's giving like bulbs. You want to kind of give yourself like a bald head look when you're applying your colored wigs. Now let's get into the wig install. So look at this orange hair, you guys. I'm not even going front. I definitely was nervous at first because I was like, where is sis going with this orange hair? But it definitely has grown on me, and honestly, this might be my favorite color. Let me know what y'all think about this color down below in the comment sections, because your girl is trying some. Oh, and if you guys want me to try some different colors, let me know too in the comment section, because y'all matter. So let me know what y'all want to see, because I'm down for anything. I think any color really look bomb on me. So you know. So now I'm just clipping away the front of my hair just to make sure that it gets out my way. I'm adjusting the wig to make sure that it fits on my hairline. You know, nothing is looking crazy. Certain parts are right, you know, by my edges, by my ears, just twisting it around a little bit. I thought that part was the middle of my head. Come to find out, it's not. So to install the wig, I do use the Gots to Be. So I'm going to be spraying that Gots to Be, if you notice, right at the top of the wig. I'm not putting it, you know, no further. I'm putting it right in the front, and I'm just going to grab my blow dryer and I'm going to blow dry that out. I'm blow drying it on cool, by the way. That matters. Y'all need to know it's on cool and not on hot. Okay, it's on cool, and I'm basically just making sure that that gets dry. So do not stop blow drying until the Gots to Be is dry, for real, for real, for real. You want to make sure that it's dry, and I'm using that on cool, probably on like the second type of blowing thing. So now I'm going to be cutting out the lace. This is one of my favorite parts. I grabbed my scissors and I cut it into a couple of different sections. So if you guys notice, I'm cutting it there, then I cut it right there, like probably at the end of my brow, and then at the other end of my brow, just so you guys can kind of get an idea of visually where I'm cutting it out. I grabbed my eyebrow razor. I don't use this on my eyebrows. That's so like 2008, I think. But I do use it to cut off my lace. So I'm going in and I'm using that to just trim off my lace. If you notice, I'm doing some zigzag motions just so that it don't give like, you don't want to give straight line. You want to give zigzag. The girls need to see you give a zigzag with your laces. So give your lace a nice zigzag motion to cut that lace off. And I know y'all see how it has like that white look, but it's just dried Gots to Be. And we gonna go in, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove that. That's nothing we should worry about. Like, imagine if I did wear my hair like that, y'all would laugh at me so bad. I would laugh at myself, matter of fact. Not even y'all. Like, I would laugh at myself. So now I'm going in on the other side. I'm just going to cut off some of that lace. Just be careful when you're doing this, y'all. You know, make sure that you're cutting the lace. Don't cut your skin. Like, just be very careful. To me, I've been doing this for a little bit, so I kind of make it look easy, but take your time. I did speed this up also, so I'm not doing this fast. Just a disclaimer. Just so y'all know what it is and what it ain't. So I'm just going to continue cutting off this lace. I'll be back in a little bit when we get to a different part of this video where I'm not cutting the lace off anymore. So I'm grabbing a little bit of water, and I grab an old t-shirt that I have, and I just dab the water on the t-shirt, and then I start just pressing it on the hairline. And look at that white little line that we seen is coming off, because Gots to Be comes off with water. So I'm just tapping on a little bit, and then any part that has lifted, I'm going back in because it's still tacky. I'm going back in with my blow dryer, and I'm just making sure that any part that's lifted, I may add a little bit more Gots to Be, especially around the ear flaps. Like, I feel like the ear flaps always lift a little bit more than the rest of the hair. So now let's get into styling the wig. Yes, my favorite part. So for styling the wig, I like to press it out. If you guys watch my hair coloring video, I did tell you guys that I did use Vaseline to color the hair, so I feel like a little bit of Vaseline was still left in the hair. If you guys want to see how I did that, go ahead and check out my hair coloring video. I'm going to link it at the top of this video. So I go ahead and create myself a little middle part, and then I start just like pulling out the parts of my hair to do some baby hairs. In this video, I didn't have any baby hair inspo. Normally I do, but I really wanted to keep it real simple because I don't know, colored hair and baby hair for me kind of just gives me a weird vibe. That's how I feel right now. I might mess with it in the future. So if you guys do see me with another color wig and I got some baby hair, don't come for me. So I'm just going ahead, I'm just creating them baby hairs real quick. Make sure everything look cute. You know, if you guys want a more detailed video on baby hairs, ask me in a little bit. I'm still practicing. I don't feel like I'm the best, but if you guys want to know what I'm doing, then let me know. I'm no expert at this. I'm gonna leave that for the bomb hairstylist, like Official Hair by him, Paul. I really like his work. He's super bomb. Check him out on Instagram at Official Hair by him. Like, he slays hair. I love when he did my hair. I don't think I've ever seen anybody do it better than him. So I'm going ahead and I'm tying down my baby hairs with my elastic band. I got this at Michael's just for this particular purpose. You can also use that elastic band for your wig too, to make it for real glueless. So if you guys notice, I'm tweezing my hair, my little part there, because it was a little bit too dense and it wasn't looking too natural. So I was tweezing it out a little bit, making it a little bit wider. So now I'm just taking it off the elastic band. I'm just pressing on my hair, and I'm thinking I want to give the girl some curls. So I'm using my Hot Tools curling iron. I think this is a 1 1/4 inch curling iron. I got it at Sally's, y'all, and Sally's had this 40% off styling tools, and I could not leave sis at the store. Like, I went to Sally's for something totally different, and I was like, nah, it's 40% off, I gotta get that. So I've loved her. I liked her ever since. The only thing about her is that the screws on the side where you open and close the barrel are kind of messing up now, so I think I'm gonna have to get another one soon. So hopefully they're having another little sale coming on. Otherwise I'll probably just grab it anyway, because I do love curling my hair. But this time I'll probably grab like a 1 1/2 inch or a 1 inch curling iron, because it looks great when you're doing some body waves on your hair. The bigger the barrel. So yeah, I'm just curling my hair, you guys. But while I'm curling my hair, let me just chop it up with y'all and check in. So how y'all doing during quarantine? Like, is your state open? Are you guys closed? Like, what's going on? Are you guys going outside? How do you guys feel when outside opens back up? Like, are y'all gonna be popping out? I know it's outside might open up when summer's here, so it's kind of hard to stay in when it's hot out and you see the sun's out. You know what I'm saying? You know, the vibes might be there. So what are you guys gonna do? I personally, I'm gonna wait a little bit. I might just like still social distance. I might just like go outside, but I'm not about to be at no function this summer. I could tell y'all that, because I don't know, I just feel like the full effects of this whole thing we haven't really seen yet. So I'm staying just more so on the cautious side of things. And I can't really tell y'all what to do, but trust your instincts. That's all I can really say, is trust your instinct. Your instincts knows, you know, on the inside what you should really be doing. So just stay protected, I guess, is stay blessed too. So now I'm going in. I don't remember what I was watching on YouTube, but your girl was very focused on whatever I was watching. Like, I just keep looking up at the screen, like, you know, laughing. It was a vibe. Whatever I was watching, I need to watch it again, because it definitely put me in a great mood. And yeah, I'm just coloring this hair, and I'm loving this orange hair so far. I was definitely nervous at first. I wish it was a little bit longer, but I do mess with the length. It's super cute. And again, the wig is from snoplifehair.com, and I use Kiss colors to color this hair in the shade Neon Orange. So I do have a full video of me coloring my hair, so make sure to check it out. And I've been dropping bangers on Instagram, so if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at @AndellLara. It's the same as my YouTube name. And let me know that you came from YouTube, because I love when I see people from my YouTube comment on my Instagram. I think it's super dope. So yeah, this is the last stream curling. This process took me about like an hour and some change, just so y'all know. I just sped it up. And that's good for y'all to know that I did speed things up, so you're not thinking like, oh yeah, it takes this long. No, it takes a little bit longer. So right here, I'm just adding in some concealer onto my hair, just to make sure that that part is defined. That's a hairstylist secret. If you guys don't know, hairstylists definitely go in with powders and different concealers to give it that natural look. So make sure that when you are installing your hair, look for different hairstyles for different inspo. I love doing that. So that's how I learned a couple of different tricks. So yeah, this is the final look, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. It was super fun to create this orange hair. If y'all want to see me do any other color, drop it in the comment section below. And of course, if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Okay, join the Glam Girl Squad. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Mwah! I love y'all so much. Stay blessed and stay glam. Period.